Good morning, everybody, and welcome to My Glamorous Life. I am ironing this morning. I'm trying to get some upstairs guest rooms ready for guests. And I went to Bed Bath & Beyond and found wonderful bedspreads and pillow shams because I have some beds with headboards that I kind of like, but not sure I'm going to keep them, and I didn't want to invest a ton of money in bedding until I make that decision. But I found some bedspreads and pillow shams that match beautifully, and they look like hotel bedspreads. This is a pillow sham. Does that look like very hotel-ish to you? And of course I like that. It's very comforting because who doesn't want to go and stay in a nice hotel? So that's what we're doing right now. And then I'm going to steam the bedspreads because, you know, when you buy these bedspreads in these big old plastic containers, this is a 1 cent bedspreads, and it came with the pillow shams with it, I think. Or did I buy them separate? No, it's a one bed, they call it a comforter, I said bedspread, and 2 pillow shams. So they're jammed in here, and the creases are almost set permanently. So we're going to steam those out too. And let's see what else is going on. I know you're going to ask, and I think I've worn this before for you. You've probably seen it. It is an outfit I got at McLaughlin's, and I got it last year. Was it last year? Maybe 18 months ago or so. Anyway, it still looks fairly new, and I wear it around the house, and it's very, very comfortable, and I love it. So if I see it, I'll link it. I'm not sure they still have the exact pattern because I don't know if you can see. Let's see if I can move some of my stuff out of the way. I don't know if you can see the pattern on the leggings, but I think it's kind of cute just for around the house. What I don't like about it is I'm fairly tall. I'm 5'7". And these leggings have a seam that runs across this way in a V shape. Well, the top is not always long enough. If I stand up really straight, you can see that V, and I wish they had made that straight across. So this top, which is not a long top, at least it would have covered that. So I don't know, whoever designed it is probably not a tall person and didn't take that into consideration. And let's get in here and steam these bedspreads. Oh yeah, I have a lovely bruise to share with you. I was trying to help move, and I'm not very helpful, and obviously I was just in the way, and I got one on my chin. And I've been using arnica. I have arnica salve and I have arnica cream that I've tried. And so far it has been useless. It hasn't done a thing. So maybe I'm doing it wrong. Maybe I need to do it more often, but it hasn't healed it at all. I've had it I think I've had it 3 days. So it's going to be a good week bruise, a week-long bruise, and that's all right. It's not the end of the world. So I think I have this pillow sham ready. There's still a bit of a crease down the center. I'm tired of ironing it. One more swipe, and then we're going to put it on the pillow. Now, so let me go in and steam the beds, and you can see how perfectly these bedspreads work with the headboard. Now you can see what I'm talking about. The color of the embroidery works perfectly with the color of the linen headboards. The problem is, I'm not sure I like the color of the linen headboard, so I'm going to use this temporarily, and maybe I will get used to it because I have ordered drapes. The draperies are white linen, and it may soften the look a bit, and I think I'm going to put a desk in between these 2 beds, and I think I'm going to use a glass desk if I can find the one I'm looking for. We have 2 full-size beds in this room because it's a wide room, and I had some twin beds in our other house for a guest room, but twin beds are so narrow, and unless you have small children using them, they're not that comfortable. So we have the 2 full-size beds, and let's get started trying to get all of these wrinkles out of this bedspread, or comforter as they call it. So let's see if I can get this out. If not, I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't think I can put an iron on it. I don't know. Let's see. Hey, that wasn't bad at all. They are 100% cotton, so that's why they were so wrinkled. Until I read the label, I didn't realize that. They steamed out beautifully, but that means I may be making wrinkles as I sit here, but I'll steam them back out. I'm not going to steam the second bed quite yet. I'm going to do that later this afternoon, but I want to take you downstairs. We're going to go in the kitchen. I'm going to show you how to make the absolute fastest dinner you're ever going to make, faster than going through a drive-through. And then I got some FedEx packages in, and we're going to open those, and I don't know, let's see what happens the rest of the day.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you.
Okay, so we got the chicken on, and we're going to let it cook for 6 or 8 hours. And remember, I only put in chicken broth, rosemary, salt, and pepper, and that was it. And you can go to the grocery and you can buy roast chicken all day long, but it won't taste as yummy as that. And all I'm going to do is add a vegetable with that, and you can add potato, whatever you want to later, but it is the fastest way to cook a chicken because you don't have to stand over it. It's cooking right now as we are getting ready to open these boxes. Now, what we have here is a media room. And I love the media room, and I love the fact that you can come in and bring a drink. It has a cup holders in each seat. However, they don't hold everything. If you wanted a glass of wine, you know, this is not going to hold a glass of wine. It's more for soft drink or beer, or maybe a glass, but not a wine glass. Or if we have friends over and I make up some martinis or something like that, I want something a little more substantial to hold those drinks. So I started searching online, and I looked at World Market. They had some drink tables, and if you've been in World Market, you can see the drink tables. They have some that are this size and this tall, and that looks really dangerous to me. It looks like it would topple in a moment. And then they had some that were larger. So I looked there, I looked online at Ballard's Design, and then I found these on Wayfair. And we're going to open it up and see what it looks like. It is, let me tell you the name of what I ordered. So if you like them, you might want to check it out. It's Alvis Cross Legs End Table, A-L-B-I-S. Not Elvis, E-L-V-I-S. It's A-L-V-I-S. And I may be pronouncing it incorrectly. It may be Elvis. Who knows? Okay, so they came FedEx, and it only took a few days to get them. I think they're overpackaged, but maybe that's a good thing because we don't want broken product. Oh, that looks like it might have taken a hit. Let's see. I wonder if I need any tools. Look. These are gold. Let's see if we can get this out. That out of the way. So you can see what we're doing. Now I have a throw in here. I bought one throw to see if I liked it, and I do like it. I got it at the Z Gallery, and so I'm going to order maybe 3 more. Not sure. I was thinking maybe 1 for every other seat, but we'll see. That might be too much because we are in Florida. Do you need that many throws? I don't think so. I think they're just pretty. But this is the perfect location for watching sports or a good movie, and it's very, very quiet in here. I like to come in this room and just do online shopping or checking my email. Man, this is way overly packaged. Oh, I like this design. Let's see what this is. Oh, coasters. How cute is that? Do you love it? Show us a photo. Cat. These are Kate and Laurel. They're made by Kate and Laurel. All things decor. Cute. Love it, love it. Okay, here was a decision I had to make. Did I want, is that magnets? It's a magnet. I love that. A lot of these have marble. I was afraid to get marble top because I was afraid if it tipped, someone was going to be injured because they can get pretty heavy. So I love the fact that it's 4 legs because it's more stable. The ones I have seen have been 1 leg, then I've seen the 3, it's like a triangle. But I love this. And the fact that this has a magnet on it and holds this top on, or you can take it off and maybe serve with it and set it down. The question I had when I ordered these was the fact that they have this in several colors. That comes in several colors. I chose white. However, I was undecided because they have a number of colors. They have the legs you can get in black, gold, and silver. Well, I knew I wanted the gold, but then this tabletop comes in teal color, navy blue, white, which I have, gray, black, gold, pink, navy. Oh, what's he? Goes back on. Oh, some of these are out of stock. Ooh. The only ones available, now that I look at it, are teal, navy, and white. When I first ordered them, they had black, and I couldn't decide if I wanted black. Because if the lights are off, is this going to be distracting? I don't know. I'm going to have to make that decision, but now the decision may be made for me because now they're out of stock. So I think I love this, and I got 4 of these. Let's see if I put these like here. Is that white going to be too distracting? I don't know. Well, I'm going to open the rest of them. And the last one is genius. No assembly. And this can be washed. You can wipe it out. There's enough room to serve popcorn or nuts and drinks. I absolutely love these. So these are Wayfair. And look at that. Sturdy. It's not going anywhere. I think that is so genius. I never even knew that was magnet. I guess I didn't read it closely enough. But I hope you enjoy yours if you order some. Let's see what this looks like over here. You know, I was worried about the color white, but when you put it, get over here, when you place it with a white throw, it's perfect. Absolutely perfect. I'm so excited. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, tap that subscribe button and follow me on Instagram. Bye.